The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is Samsung's latest and potentially best smartwatch yet. It's certainly pitched as the wearable companion most ready to climb Mount Everest or at least a steep hill with you. As befitting the new Pro distinction, the watch is bigger and better than the rest of the Watch 5 line, with a bigger battery, more powerful capabilities, and exclusive features. The watch generally uses this new power to add more fitness credentials with additional GPS features, including new route generators for endurance workouts and reinforced case, ensuring the 5 Pro is squarely aimed at the adventurers and athletes. Otherwise, the watch retains all its younger siblings' more holistic health kits, including improved sleep tracking and body composition, alongside great smart functionality courtesy of Wear OS, taking and receiving calls, music controls, and an Exynos W920 dual-core 5nm chipset powering the whole thing. At this early stage, it certainly seems like everything you want in a fitness-oriented Wear OS watch. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.